Look, they finna make him buy that motor.
It ain't running right.
It ain't even running right.
It ain't running right.
That be running like that?
15%.
That's 15%.
Yes, sir. 15%.
That's
Look out for the motor.
Yeah. No, I ain't even bring my shit. I parked it, man. They want me to move my car.
That dude fast, dog. I done seen him. He fast.
Yeah, that bitch running. Oh, they try to run him hot.
What about you think he look slim?
Oh yeah, hell yeah. What Funkytown talking about? What happened, Funkytown?
I'm gonna get on my homeboy.
Oh, he.
Hey, look out. He popping bang on that. Yeah, we
Yeah. Damn.
Hey, look out.
Yeah. Yeah.
He that's why he's trying to back.
Oh, okay.
And was a motor was a motor on the other side? Hell no. You saw the cameras on that bitch. Hell yeah. That trans down way fast.
Hey, appreciate that. Appreciate you, bro, coming off that bitch.
He fucked that up. Fuck that shit. You gotta say it. Shut up. It was rigged, bro. That shit was rigged. Hey, I got this side, man. Hey, this side. Hey, I'm on this side, man. Hey, I got this side, man. Yeah, I got this side right here. Hey, this side.
Uh-oh.
Hey, 100.
Haymakers on his mother. Left lane for the win.
Hey, Tyrone.
Did you get him?
Popped him in his ass.
Oh, you got him?
Look out.
You got him?
Hit him in his ass from here.
Oh, you got him.
I got paid. I got damn.
Damn. He got 100 off that one, y'all. What's up with it? Look out.
Hey, you better send me the caprice.
You on the bottom? Man, I get my other car fixed, I'm gonna quit driving that Caprice and I'm gonna put it up for raffle. I'm gonna raffle it off. I'm gonna raffle it off, man.
When you had it, I saw you the driver's. I was like, what the hell? I haven't been here in a minute.
Yeah, I'm gonna build something else. I'm gonna build something else and raffle it off too. I'm probably start raffling off cars. All these other people, they been raffling off cars. They don't even drive. You don't even know if it's running or not. Oh yeah, hell yeah. On time. Look out. All my people that's watching on TikTok, y'all. I'm live on YouTube in 1080p. It's nice and clear. What?
What's wrong with it? It's been spinning all the time.
Which one?
Yours.
Oh, I ain't checked the air pressure in a month. Yeah. I can't beat them.
Hey, Manny on there talking shit.
Nah, he ain't on here today.
Raggedy bitch.
Got a good transmission in it.